In this video, I'm going to be reviewing a project management app called Taskio. According to Taskio, Taskio is designed with every business in mind, managing tasks, projects, clients, upload contracts and documents in tasks. You can create chats with your team or individuals or with clients and much more. Now Taskio is a brand new app, which is why it is so unbelievably cheap and why they are offering this limited time lifetime offer. Included in this lifetime deal is the project management tool, the organized task filter, invite clients to view project task progress, chat with your team, share documents, security, schedule tasks, add details to tasks, and automated task completion. Now this is a brand new app, which means that some of these features at this moment aren't currently available. However, once you're locked into this deal, you will have access to all of these updates. So let's head over to my screen and I'll show you how everything works. Here we are in the Taskio dashboard. And as you can see, there's actually not much to look at. You have your sidebar here, which is where you do the bulk sum of management. Here is where all of your tasks are listed, and to the right is more information about a specific task. If you ever need any help, you click this gear icon here, go into help, and you will have documentation listing every single detail that you need about each feature Taskio has. You can download this on Apple products and Windows, and of course cloud-based access, but they are not yet on Android. However, they are new, so this is likely coming very soon. In order to get started, go ahead and click the plus sign. Now it's always a good sign when a software will guide you through the process, so there's not really anything more you can do apart from say what you want. First thing that you'll type is build a website. Once you stop typing, these options will show. Next you do remind me, and you say, hey, when do you want it to remind you? And I'm just going to go and do early morning, and you can say repeat daily. Now location reminder for some reason is not yet working on cloud-based, but it does on the app, which I will show you shortly. Then we create a tag, so you can either create a new tag, or I've already created a few tags, so I'm just going to add it into this area, clients. Then add a subtask, which is a breakdown of the overall task. So for example, when you're building a website, you need a hosting, buy a domain, layout structure, layout design, you need code, website, design, approval, and then every single step of the way you would just create what's actually needed. And then for notes, you'll just put whatever in here. So this is for a client, simply do add. We have a new one here, and if we click on it, you can see on the right hand side it shows all of the information. On the location reminder, we're going to go ahead and click this, then do select from map, and you can select or enter anything in there. So I'm just going to do, let's say, Waterstones, and then do select, and there you have the map right here. If you scroll down, as you complete each stage, you can tick these off just like so. You can also just click on it and edit it if you want, and when you finish the overall task, you can simply click the check marker right here. You can also undo it just by selecting undo there. Each of these tasks are filtered in the tags, inbox, today, later, and location. That's the cloud-based version. So let's go ahead and look at the downloadable app on my computer. Here we have the app on my computer, and as you can see, it's absolutely identical to the cloud-based version. Making it miniature will also collapse everything in a user-friendly way. Now this syncs in real time, so if we go ahead and let's say we're going to delete build a website. Now if we go into our cloud-based version, you can see that's gone as well. And if we just do add and just add this quickly, go into our app, and there you have it. We have test as well, and we can merely delete it again, and it's also deleted there. To add a tag, all you need to do is click add tag, name it something, choose a color, and do save. As you can see, that tag is now displayed, and if you ever want to mess around with the account details, click the gear icon, go into settings, and you can change the date and time or the theme coloring however you want it to be, and this will also do that in the cloud-based version as well. Or if you want larger fonts, click on larger fonts, and there we have it. I do hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you've got any questions about Taskio or any other project management apps, go ahead and leave them below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.